Nandito pala tayo sa Talisay Concepcion, Negros Occidental, Bacolod City, mga pre. So, nakakuha kami nito, 6 months. Pure McLean Hatch, mga pre. So, nandito pala si Sir, yung pamangkin ng mayari. So, Sir, pasok!
Hi and everyone, good afternoon. This is Jay Olvido of Keeping Shock on Game Farm of Boise. Yes, good afternoon sa lahat. This is a pure McLean product of inbreeding right out marking po ito. This is one of our signature bloodlines here in farm. We have also Boston Roundhead Redfoot line. Originated po yung Boston Roundhead namin ito sa kay Sir Lance De La Torre of LDT Game Farm Redfoot line.
Hey, Sir, kung mayroon ba gusto kumuha ng mga manok mo, saan sila pwedeng mag-message?
You could message for my account, J Olvido. Search nyo lang po and you could contact this person.
So, thank you mga pre, and have a blessed day.